Welcome, Space Cadets, to Storytime with Captain Kate. Today, we're blasting off on an adventure with Stella the Starfish, the brightest star in the Milky Way. But there's a problem. Stella's lost her sparkle. Stella the Starfish wasn't your average sea creature. Unlike her friends who lived on the ocean floor, Stella lived amongst the twinkling stars in the vast Milky Way galaxy. And Stella wasn't just any star. She twinkled with the brightest sparkle, illuminating the cosmos with a dazzling light that could even outshine planets. One starry night, as Stella prepared to light up the sky for the sleeping Earthlings, she felt a strange sensation. When she tried to shine, only a dull glow emerged. Panic bubbled up in her 5 little points. Without her sparkle, how could she guide lost spaceships or show shooting stars the way? Dejectedly, Stella drifted across the galaxy, past shooting stars who zipped by with disappointed sighs and sleepy planets whose eyelids seemed extra heavy. Finally, she reached a swirling nebula filled with wise old comets. "Comet Cosmos," Stella whined, her voice tinged with sadness. "My sparkle is gone. How can I be a star without my shine?" Comet Cosmos, his tail trailing a trail of colorful dust, chuckled softly. "Sparkle, little star," he said, "isn't just about how bright you shine. It's about the joy you bring others." Confused, Stella followed Comet Cosmos to a distant corner of the galaxy. There, a group of tiny asteroids huddled together, shivering in the darkness. They were lost, their navigation systems malfunctioning. Seeing this, Stella knew what she had to do. Even without her usual sparkle, she could still guide them. She swam in circles around the asteroids, her entire body pulsating with a gentle, rhythmic glow. At first, the asteroids seemed unsure, but slowly their fear subsided. They followed Stella's soft light, mesmerized by its gentle rhythm. Soon, they reached a familiar cluster of stars, their home system. The lost asteroids cheered, showering Stella with grateful words. Seeing their joy, Stella felt a warmth spread through her. It wasn't the same as her bright sparkle, but it was a different kind of shine. From that day on, Stella continued to light up the galaxy, not just with her own sparkle, but also with the joy she brought others. She learned that even a gentle glow could guide the way and fill the universe with warmth. We learned today that true light comes not just from how bright you shine, but from the joy you bring to others. So next time you feel a little dim, remember, even a small act of kindness can be your brightest sparkle. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic adventures with Stella and her friends.